Hi guys, we are the skating duo. I have roller skates, I have roller blades. Let's skate!
Why we're not teasing eventually,
Whee! Roller skate. I call her roller blades.
I mean, it's only a
So
shirt,
let's
but it's,
skate.
you know what I mean? Yeah, yeah.
So sorry.
Oh, yeah.
This is a new pose.
The table as well. I've got a busy wee pipe just now, that's all. But I'll get it sorted.
You're still like that. The what? I found that in the buying on that day. Okay.
So guys,
I'm going to get you a coconut man.
This is the one you're looking for?
Yeah.
this is
Hey,
our
what?
first
It's got a
skating
big, got the white head on it.
video.
How you doing, pal? Happy days.
This is our first skating video. Sorry if our account's
You're gonna
name
get on rope?
is not skating duo, but this is on my mom's account.
Siyempre, yung anak
She
niya.
wants her name to be on.
Buti nahanap
So,
ko kasi
rollerblades.
lagot na naman si Mark.
Dalawa yan. Isang medyo malaki.
Let's rollerblades. So let's skate.
Pwede hindi yun. Gusto.
Let's get to the
Sa
video.
Yan.
We're skating.
Ulo. Okay, ulo.
Outfit check. Pink t-shirt.
Puta ka.
Pajamas with my skates.
Sabi na eh. Yun, no?
Sampu sa lang yung...
Tingnan ko ha.
Kaya tayo mo.
Sorry, I speak
So,
Bisaya.
Sampu. Piso. Ito na.
This is my outfit. I have
Ito na.
a
Kailangan mo na ano eh.
Minnie Mouse
600.
t-shirt, short, pants, not baggy, but it's ganang pants.
Ito na. Bawi na.
Hello!
ay, ay, ay.
So that's our outfit check.
May chocolate
We're
na daw.
gonna be making more videos later.
Oh.
Sabi. Sabi niya. Sabi niya.
Maybe next time.
Oo, chocolate.
Bigyan ko.
That's Filipino water.
3 cent chocolate.
For 1
3
peso.
cent kung sa
Right?
bibigay niya.
Yours are for 5 bucks.
Sabi, sige na. Kunin mo na lang din sa kali. O kaya yung kanya.